Hi everyone, welcome to Nirja Education. I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach you English grammar. In my last class I taught the three tenses: simple present tense, simple past, simple future and its uses, where we are supposed to use these three tenses. In this class I am going to teach you the fourth tense, present continuous tense. Most probably you know this tense. Anyway, I will tell you where you are supposed to use present continuous tense. I hope you learned the formula. What is the formula? Am, is, are plus present form of verb plus ing. This tense can be mentioned as progressive tense also. Progressive tense, continuous tense, both are same only. So, now see the first point, to express an action which is going on at the time of speaking. So, the action is going on at the time of speaking. For an example, I am teaching English grammar. So, the action is going on at the time of speaking. Now, you are learning. So, you are learning English grammar. This is another example. So, an action which is going on at the time of speaking, this tense can be used. Clear? Example once again you see, I am teaching now, you are learning now. Let us come to the second point. It is used for an action that is in progress. It is used for an action that is in progress, means the action is going on but will continue in future, not only at the time of speaking, it will continue in future also, and it may not be going on at the time of speaking. So, do you understand what I am telling? It is used for an action that is in progress, means this tense can be used, the action is going on but not at the time of speaking. It is going on. For an example, he is learning English, means not at the time he started and still he is learning only, it may continue in future also. So, this kind of a thing you can use in present continuous tense. Is it clear? Now, it is used to express disapproval of a persistent habit if the action continuously happening, and as well as something done again and again, that also can be expressed in present continuous tense. If you see the example, then you come to know. Let us see that she is continuously watching movie on TV. So, this action is not going at the time of speaking, it becomes a habit. Continuously this thing is going on. So, one more example, he is repeatedly making the same mistake. So, this action also not going at the time of speaking, but it is happening continuously. If I tell one more example, he is always playing video games on his mobile. So, this action also going continuously with the help of adverbs. You just underline the adverbs here: continuously, repeatedly, always. So, these are the adverbs can be used in present continuous tense. Is that clear? So, I told four ways. One is the action is going at the time of speaking. Another one, the action is not going at the time of speaking, but it has started in the past, but still it is going on. Still it is going on, in future also it may extend. And another one, it is used to express disapproval. And one more thing I told, it is in the future plan. He is going to meet my friend tomorrow. He is going to meet my friend tomorrow means it is in present continuous tense, it can be planned for the future also. I hope you understood these four ways of expressing present continuous tense. Now I am going to teach you past continuous tense. This is the fifth tense where we supposed to use past continuous tense. Let us see that. To express an action that was continuing at a certain point of time in the past means the action was going on at the time of speaking, not right now. The action was going on means the action not going at the time of speaking, it happened in the past. It may start in certain period and it may extend a certain period, future also. Do you understand that? The action started in the past and it was going at the time in the past, and it may further go in future also. So here I am giving one example that she was cooking food at 9 p.m. If I add one more sentence, you may come to know, see, when I went to his house, when I went to her house, she was cooking food at 9 p.m. So it tells very clearly the action may started in the past in certain time and it was going at the time of speaking, and it may possibly extend in future also. So if I add particular sentence, then you may come to know very clearly that when I went to her house, she was cooking food at 9 p.m. One more example, he was watering the garden in the morning. So this also, action was not going at the time of speaking, but it was happened in the past in certain time of period. Is it clear? Now I am going to teach you the past continuous tense. In past continuous tense, already you know the formula for past continuous. What is the formula? Was or were plus present form of verb plus ing. Now see that this is the second example I am giving. To express an action that was going on in the past. So here the action was going on in the time of past. Before that we saw the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense, an action which is going at the time of speaking. But here the same thing, the action which was going on at the time of speaking. For an example, I was reading newspaper. Here we are not using any time phrase. I was reading newspaper means the action was going in the past at the time of speaking, not now. Okay. Now one more example. This is another usage. To express an action in progress at some point of time in the past when another event took place. It means two actions happen in the past. You listen very carefully. Two actions. Here I have mentioned all the things in past. Past, past, past. Here if you see the example, you come to know, I was playing when my father came from his office. I was playing. So here this is the exact point I am talking about. He started his play in the past only, but when his father means when my father entered his house, at the time I was playing. So the action may started earlier and it may extended at the time of speaking, then further it may go also. So here I was playing when my father came from his office. Look at once again. To express an action in progress at some point of time in the past. So the action started in some point of time, but when another event took place, so that time only one more event took place. What event that is? His father came from his office. So his father came from his office is the new action. The old action which was going on at certain time is I was playing. Is it clear? So I was playing is a continuous action which happened in the past. At the time one more action happened, that is when my father came from his office. Is that clear? This is the another way we can describe in past continuous tense. To describe two or more action continuing at the same time. So, how many actions are going on? How many actions were going on? One is while I was watering the garden. So, you remove this one, I was watering the garden. This is the first action. Second one, my brother was removing the weeds. So, we are combining these two past actions which were going on at the time of speaking. One is I was watering the garden, my brother was removing the weeds. So, we are combining these two actions, it can be expressed in past continuous tense. So, both the actions were going on in the past. So, once again you see, while I was watering the garden, my brother was removing the weeds. So, even the one or two actions, more than two actions also we can describe with the help of past continuous tense. The action was going on at the time of speaking. Is that clear? Now, we are going to learn sixth tense, that is future continuous tense. Future continuous tense formula, do you remember? Shall or will plus be plus present form of verb plus ing. Shall or will plus be plus present form of verb plus ing. Now, see that how we can use this tense to express an action that will be in progress in near future. So, this action is going to be happen in future. Look at the example, he will be playing cricket at 5 p.m. So, daily he used to play, but he is just planning this action is going to be happen in future, that also continuously. So, that is the reason we are using future continuous tense. So, he will be playing, already I told shall or will plus be plus present form of verb plus ing. So, here he will be playing cricket 5 p.m. So, exactly 5 p.m. he made a plan that he will be playing with his friends. One more example you see, by this time. So, he has planned very nicely that by this time we will be writing our exam. So, exam already he planned, it will be happen in future. Is it clear? I hope you understood what I taught. Keep learning and keep on learning. Subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.